The next step would be to generate a reference design. You have everything selected, so I'm going to go ahead and hit Generate Reference Design. What it's going to tell me is the design contains a non-schematic enabled part. If you remember, this was the linear regulator on the last rail that I selected, that there was no options for a device that was schematic enabled. This doesn't prevent you from generating a schematic for all the other devices. It just is telling you that it's going to skip that one device because we don't have a schematic yet for that device. Maybe coming here in the future though soon. So I'm going to hit OK. Once I hit OK, the system is going to open a browser window, and the browser window has some additional information that it'll request, and then that'll start the process to generate a reference schematic, and that reference schematic will be emailed back to me, and I'll show that after I'm done here. So the first thing I ask you is for a name. I will just put in here test. Then if you don't have my Intersil account, it'll ask you to create an account, or you can just sign into your account that you already have. Since I have an account, I'm just going to sign into it here. And when I sign in, we'll get a message here. So it's ready now. It's telling me, okay, is it okay to send the files? I hit continue. Now it's being processed by the system. Your custom power reference designs are now ready. So basically in the zip file up here, I can open this up and I'll show you what I get here. In here there's a DSN file, a PDF, and a spreadsheet which has a BOM of the system. So I'm going to open the PDF just because that's easily to display here. And you'll see it created my 8200 current sharing configuration at 1.5, 19.6 amps. My other one was a dual output 3.3, which was the VDD 1.8 and the LDO supply. Completely configured schematic, all interconnected. All the names have been connected. So here's the 85033 as a single output, a 6 amp solution. That was the VCC 3.3 volt. And then also I had indicated I had sequencing requirements, so it added in a sequencer to do the sequencing for the system. So there you go. That's what you get in the system PDF, and like I say, you can open that in ORCAD from the DSN file. You also get one second, when you finish a design, it asks you if you want to save it. Right now I'm just not saving the design I created. You can always save a copy of it if you'd like. It asks you at the end. So let me go back to this. Here you can see it gave me a bill of material for the system that I just created. So there's all my parts and that needed, and resistors and caps and everything. If you have anything further questions, you can address those to pc@intersil.com. That's just short for PowerCompass at Intersil.com. If you have any further questions or comments, let us know. Thank you, and this is Ron Johnson with Intersil Corporation. You have a good day.